house button. That's strange. Anyways, here a gun. Wait, where am I?
Wait, who are you?
I'm the NPC.
Okay. Yes, I riding a horse Peru. I'm sorry. Four, 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 four.
Hey, Crackback 2020. Come here. Can you say I'm talking Sonic? Kill your Crackback 2020, then Crackback 2020. Stop!
Anybody there? I've come to...
Villager, what was that sound?
I don't know, he has fight Cloud.
AI. That hurts.
You idiot. You won't attack me.
Haha, you dead.
There. Villager, it was just to be killed. Now is getting night time and rain, time for bed.
在在一家跟你有什么关系？
One a good day is time for a shower too again.
有人跟我提问题，然后觉得你没有给我就告。
就很会讲话，你要很小心，他最后就是要求最后，应该是最好是安静一点，动一点。